हरि ओं नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य द्वितीयवर्गस्य षष्ठीकक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। एकवारं ह्यस्तनकक्षायाः पुनस्मरणं। यः वयं प्रथमाविभक्तौ पुंलिङ्गस्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दयोः हलन्तशब्दानां रूपाणि वयं दृष्टवन्तः। इदानीं वयम् अग्रे एकवारं पुनस्मरामः। तत्र हलन्तशब्देषु पुंलिङ्गस्त्रीलिङ्गे बिषज् मरुत् सरित् सुहृत् विपद् विद्वस् आशिष् दिश् वाच् योगिन् एतादृशानां शब्दानां विभक्तिपाठं वयं कृतवन्तः। तत्र विशेषतया सर्वदा औ अह इति द्विवचन बहुवचनयोः भवतः, तथा एकवचने प्रातिपदिकं यथा भवति तथैव सामान्यतया प्रथमाविभक्तौ रूपाणि भवन्ति। परन्तु तत्र विशेष अपवादाः अपि भवन्ति, यथा वाच् बिषज् दिश् एतेषां वाक् बिषक् दिक् इत्येवं ककारः तत्र भवति। तथैव योगिन् अधिकारिन् सुखिन् सन्यासिन् इत्येतादृशानां नकारान्तानां प्रातिपदिकानां तत्र नकारस्य लोपः तथा अन्तिम स्वरस्य दीर्घत्वं च तत्र भवति, यथा योगी अधिकारी सुखी एंड सन्यासी एवं भवति। अनन्तरं गतवत् भवत्, अत्र गतवत् इत्यत्र तवत्तु प्रत्ययः भवति। यत्र तवत्तु प्रत्ययः भवति तत्र रूपाणि गतवान् गतवन्तौ गतवन्तः इत्येवं। तथैव भवत् इत्यत्र वत् इति कश्चन प्रत्ययः भवति, तत्र पुनः भवान् भवन्तौ भवन्तः एवं भवति। अत्र पुनः यत्र बुद्धिमत् अथवा शक्तिमत् तादृश स्थलेषु अपि तत्र पुनः बलवत् एतादृशस्थलेषु अपि भवत्वत् एव भवति, यथा बलवान् बलवन्तौ बलवन्तः बुद्धिमान् बुद्धिमन्तौ बुद्धिमन्तः एवं रूपाणि भवन्ति। पुनः महत् इति विशेष प्रातिपदिकं भवति, अत्र पृथक्तया महान् महान्तौ महान्तः एवं रूपाणि। पुनः विद्वस् इति पुनः विशेष प्रातिपदिकं भवति, तत्रापि पुनः विद्वान् विद्वांसौ विद्वांसः एवं रूपाणि भवन्ति। पुनः आशिष् इति शकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग प्रातिपदिकं भवति, अत्र आशीः आशिषौ आशिषः एवं रूपाणि भवन्ति। अस्तु, so this is what we have seen in the yesterday's session, and this completes the prathama vibhakti pumlinga stillinga shabdas for alanta pratipadikams. So now we are going to see this even completes the second chapter of our Bhasha Pravesha level 2. In the Bhasha Pravesha level 2 chapter 2 we also have a few subhashitams, and we also have some story or some sambhashanam at the beginning of the lesson. So we will complete them and then we'll move to the Napumsakalinga forms. Okay, so we are starting with the subhashitams now. So as usual we will just read the subhashitam, and those who are interested to participate, they can actually take one or two sentences, meaningful sentences, and try to translate them, and then we'll finally arrive at the subhashita meaning. So let me read it once. Papan nivarayati yojayati hitaya guhyam niguhyati gunan prakati karoti apadgatam cha na jahati dadati kale sanmitra lakshanam idam pravadanti santaha. So anybody would like to take line by line and translate that?
एतस्मिन् सुभाषिते सन्मित्रलक्षणं कीदृशं भवति इति अस्ति। संमित्रः पापान् निवारयति, तस्य मित्रस्य पापान् यदि सः अनिश्चित कार्यं करोति, यतः पापा कति सद्गुणाः न सन्ति चेत् सः तस्य दोषान् निवारयति, योजयति। महोदय
अग्रे वदतु। योजयति हिताय
तस्य हितार्थं तस्य हितार्थं सः सहायं करोति मित्रस्य हिताय सः सहायं करोति गुह्यं निगू
let's go actually maybe we will take one line so can you just give English meaning for the same
अस्तु महोदय
आङ्ग्लभाषया अर्थं वदति वा
आङ्ग्लभाषया ओके a friend a good friend will indeed he will remove all his friends whoever is friend he will finish all his obstacles or whatever his bad deeds he has done he will remove all that he will tell him all good things and he will make him do only good things so all his bad deeds he will try to eliminate and he will always be there for his good yojayati hita for his welfare only he will be there with him
okay so guhyam nihuhati gunan prakatikaroti
गुह्यं निगुहति गुणान् प्रकटीकरोति गुह्यम is from like a cave so it's a simile for something dark from where a good friend will take his friend out if he's caught in some situation so guhyam niguhati is uppad along with guhati so guhati is basically again taking him out of gufa cave niguhati is to take out and gunan prakati karoti gunan is dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachan for gun so he a good friend always showcases the goodness all the good qualities of his friend
astu can you try the other line one more line
apad I'm not able to understand it's na or the
आपद्गतं च न जहाति ददाति काले आपद्गतं
apad is vipada misfortune and such as situation apad gatam cha apad gatam cha so if his friend is caught in some situation na jahati I don't know what is the meaning jahati dadati kale I think I can just make a guess that he does not leave him in that situation does not sacrifice him to the situation something like that
okay yeah good attempt let me just translate it so last line the sanmitra lakshanam idam pravadanti santah etat sanmitra lakshanam iti vadanti iti artah atukte santah itukte the great people they say these are all the qualities of a good friend okay santah vadanti एतत् सन्मित्रलक्षणम् इति तथा अर्थः भवति प्रथमं वाक्यं पापान् निवारयति अत्र he actually clears all the sins that means he helps the friend in such a way that he doesn't get into the sin so पापान् निवारयति पापेभ्यः दूरीकरोति इति अर्थः पुनः योजयति हिताय and he heads him for the good cause a good purpose he also hitaya yojayati heads him to the good that means he doesn't do any papas okay, that's the way it is and guhyam niguhati guhyam is something which has to be hidden and niguhati he hides so that is if you have something which you don't want to express it outside which is meant to be kept secret he maintains that secrecy for you. He doesn't even give it out. See, he maintains the secret of yours. And gunan prakati karoti, the qualities that you have, the good qualities that you have, he actually expresses out to the other people. So basically what needs to be the secret with you, which shouldn't be exposed, he keep it secret. And what good qualities you have, he keep it outside. He actually spreads that outside. And apad gatam cha na jahati, it does not give up when there is some misfortune for you. And similarly, dadati kale, he gives at the right time. That means he helps you at the right time. So one who actually removes or doesn't allow you to go near papas, and one who actually adds you to the good, and one who maintains your secrets, and one who actually exposes your good qualities, and one who doesn't give you or doesn't leave you at your bad times, and one who actually gives unnecessary needy things for you at the right time. So he is a good friend, and these are the qualities of a good friend. That's what the Santa says. Okay, that's the meaning of this Subhashitam. Let's move to the next one. It's a good attempt. Maybe this is how we can improve. Right. The next one. Na guni guninam veti guni gunishu matsari guni cha gunaragi cha viralaha saralo janaha.
Na guni guninam veti, na aguni. That means those who doesn't have good qualities, they don't recognize other good quality person. He doesn't recognize other person who has good qualities. Guni gunishu matsari, those who have good qualities, they are envious about the other good quality people who have good qualities.
Okay, Samyak, let's move.
Guni, okay.
Okay. So first one, the second part, I think should be guni gunishu matsari. That means one who has qualities does not appreciate the other guni, and a guni which second line says the guni which appreciates the other guni, such simple people are very rare.
Yeah, good attempt. Yeah, thank you. It's a good one. Yeah.
Thank you.
So let me read it again. Hope you already got the meaning, so let me read it again. Na guni guninam veti guni gunishu matsari guni cha gunaragi cha viralaha saralo janaha. So na aguni. So guni is one who has very good guna. He is called guni. And aguni is one who is just opposite to that, one who doesn't have good guna. So he is aguni. And aguni guninam veti. Aguni guninam na veti. So one who is not having good character, he does not know the another person, another guni. Basically, aguni will not know the yaguni. That's what here it is. So guninam is again Dvitiya Vibhakti form for guni shabda. So aguni will not know the guni, and guni gunishu matsari. Guni will have envy, or he will not appreciate, as he mentioned. He will have envy on other gunish. So gunishu is a Bhagavachana Saptami form for gunin shabda. So he is envy on other gunis. And guni cha gunaragi cha, one who is guni, and as well as he also likes, or he likes gunas, gunaragi cha. They are actually very rare. So that means one who is really a guni, and he also values other people's and other people's guna. He is very rare to see such honest or simple people. That's what it means. Okay, let's move. The next one is the Sukti. Okay, so this is again a short Sukti of what Patin Shabda means, it says that Mahajano yena gatah saha panthaha. So anybody would like to translate this?
I can attempt. I may be
Yes,
wrong,
yes,
but it probably says that the great people, the path they adopt, where they go, that becomes the real way. Mahajano yena gatah sapanthaha.
Yeah, that is right. Yeah. So basically, Saha Pantaha, that is the Marga, Saha Margaha. Yena, by that Marga, Gataha, who went? The Mahajana. The Mahajana who went by that Marga is the Pantaha. That means that's a path. Of course, philosophically you can take it as that's a great path to follow.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Okay, this completes Sukti and Subhashitams of first chapter. Thank you all for watching this video online. If you have any questions or if you want to interact with us, please join our Telegram group, or you can even post comments in the videos below. And please share this video with your friends and interested people, and like this video. And thank you all for watching this video online. Let us meet in the next session. Dhanyavadaha.